The EverEdge Garden Ring, apart from smartening up the appearance of trees and shrubs in your garden, will also remove other plant competition in those all-important early years of growth. Where trees and shrubs are already planted, assemble the ring first using the nuts and bolts supplied in your pack. On more established plants, you may need to assemble the ring around the base first. Place the ring around the tree with the teeth facing up to determine the area that needs to be excavated. Then, using a knife, mark this area out. Now, it is important to be careful at this point as you dig out the marked area. Always ensure that you do not dig down too deep and cut the roots. Remove any excess turf and soil, but keep some back just in case you need to backfill later. The ring should now sit easily in the area that you have prepared. Once you have positioned your garden ring, tap it down to the right height, which should leave the top of the ring flush with where your soil and grass meet. A good tip is to keep your foot on the ring on the opposite side to where you are hammering to hold it firmly in place. Drive the ring down on all 4 points of the compass to ensure that you get the best results. In this case, you can see that we have used a bark mulch to give the installation a tidy finish. Once the installation is complete, you should have an attractive and defined circle protecting your trees and shrubs from the rigours of everyday garden maintenance.